Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to append all the Excel files in a given folder into one table. So I'll just quickly show you the files I've got. So I'll show you. So here I've got data for 2011 sales. So it has calendar year, English product, and then total sales amount. Similarly, I've got data for 2012. Same format, same for 2013. And same for 2014. So you have to be aware that the data has to be in the same format. So it has to follow calendar year, English product, subcategory name, and the total sales amount. And this is one condition that my data meets. So now we'll learn how to bring all of it and then stitch it together. So one table contains data for 2011, 2012, 2013, and 2014. So let's start. So I'll quickly just close these files and let's just close this. Let's not save it for now. I was just trying to increase the headers. So I'm on the home tab in the Power BI desktop. I click on the get data, and then Excel workbook. Sorry. So I click on the get data and I click on more options. So what I want to do is I want to get all the Excel files, not one. So on the get data, I clicked on this option for more, and then I came to the folder. So I say connect to the folder, and I've got my Excel files sitting here. So I'll just copy this location, and in here I'll just paste it in the folder path, and I'll hit OK. So what Power Query does is it shows me that these are the files, these are their names, and it says combine. So it gives me combine and transform data, combine and load. So I'll just hit transform data. And what it will do is it will open the Power Query editor for me. And you can see it has built the parameter and some other stuff for me. And it gives me this table data Excel. So I'll have, all I need to do is click on this combine files option. So I click on these two drop arrows that you can see. So I hit that. So you can see here, it's giving me the option first. So it's got all these options. So I'll just click on sheet 1. And I'll be able to see the data. So this is the first file. So I can go through multiple files as well. But for now, I'll just say OK. And I go in here, and you can see that it's combined all these files. So I have the source file name, calendar year, then we have the English product subcategory name, and then I have the total sales amount. So I don't need this source file name, so I can remove that. And it adds a step on the right on the applied step. So now we can see I've got data for the multiple calendar years. So I've got data for 2011, 2012, 2013, and 2014. And if I hit OK, you can see it's giving me data for 2011 only. And I don't want filtered rows, so I'll remove that. Now I want to show you one more thing. So we'll just go into my folder. And we'll pick up one of the files and take it out. So I'll just take 2014 out just for the purpose of demonstration. So I've put it outside the folder, and then we go to the Power Query editor again. And I'll just say refresh all. So what it does is it reevaluates everything, and you can see the data for 2014 doesn't come in anymore. So now let's just go back and put that file back in. So all I'm trying to show you is that if you give a folder to Power BI and you keep adding files, and then you just run your refresh, it will automatically pick the data. So if it also happens when you remove the files. So now if I say refresh all again, you can see that it's giving me data from 2011, 2012, 2013, and 2014. And when I hit close and apply, that data becomes available to me to play around with and build my visuals. So you can see it's loaded this data for me. It's calling it data Excel, which was the name of my folder. And if I go into the table view for this, you can see that the data is available for me. So if I click on this, it'll show me 2011, 2012, 2013, and 2014. And then I can quickly go ahead and build visuals. So just to recap, in this video, we've discovered how to load all the Excel files in a given folder using Power BI. So we've used the Power Query editor, and it also shows that we can add more files to that folder or remove files. And when we hit the refresh button, the data automatically gets refreshed. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do like my videos and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Let me know if you would like me to take any specific topic. Cheers, bye.